We'll be using 3 different products on this job. The first product we're going to talk about is called the FlexKote, which is a polyurethane synthetic rubber base. This is the product that we use to embed the fabric over the laps. This is also the product that sets us apart from the other liquid roofing systems available in the marketplace. This product will cure out under cloudy conditions. It's not a water-based product. It's what we call a moisture cure polyurethane. So it gives the contractor a better chance of staying productive even on days when it may cloud or high in conditions of high humidity, or maybe even when rain would be imminent in the nighttime. The second product we're going to talk about is called the Alpha Flash. This is basically a trial grade of this product. It's a little lighter in weight. It can be put down by a trowel. It can be put down with a brush. Details and places that are hard to get is easily remedied or sealed with this product. This will go over the tops of the standing seam roofing system after the fabric is embedded into this product. When these are cured, we're going to come on top with our acrylic copolymer finish system, which is called the Omega Coat. It'll be applied by a roller first over all the flashing, and then after this is cured out, then the entire roof will get 2 coats of this product over the entire roofing area. An acrylic copolymer is one of the longest lasting products that we know of in the industry.
The following demonstration is to portray the reflective properties of the FlexKote system. The demonstration was performed utilizing 2 250-watt bulbs shining on 2 3/8-inch plywood boxes, identical except for the coverings. The box on the left is covered with an asphalt composition shingle. The box on the right is covered with the FlexKote roofing system. After only 30 minutes of exposure, the thermometers revealed a 14-degree difference in the temperatures inside the boxes. As you can see, in an energy-conscious world, the FlexKote system has much to offer.